Now you sit there and I want you to tell me, explain to me how you can't have your nose out trying to stop the ceiling fan with your tongue. I want to hear this. Go. Yeah. How did you even get up there in the first place? How did you... So they held you up. They held you up over their heads and allowed you to put your face in a ceiling fan. Yeah? Do you have 24 stitches holding your nose to your face? Aw. Oh, motherfucker, I hope you sneeze. Blow that fucking thing right off. Yeah. You look like a fucking Cabbage Patch doll, you fucking goof twat. God damn, couldn't have to a nicer guy. Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to be harsh to you here, fella. I don't want to be seen in public with you. Hell no. I don't want to have to sit there and listen to you explain that shit 100 times. No fucking way. No. Yeah. Alright then, well. Yeah, I was gonna ask you why you sound so fucking nasally. You sorry son of a bitch. Yeah, well. I'm not the one looking walking around town. What the fuck? Like a fucked up potato head. Yeah. You switch out your nose and shit, one day it's gonna be blue. Maybe you put your ear there, who knows? Asshole. Alright man, well don't sneeze, good luck. Talk to you there.